Hello everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to make yellow rice. So first I'm going to be real lazy and I'm just going to put some butter and some oil in a pan, and I'm going to take one of those instant bags of rice and dump it in the pot. Once it's in the pot, I'm going to grab some ground turmeric. This is what's going to give it a little flavor and it's going to change the rice to a yellow coloring. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pour some grated garlic powder. This is for some seasoning. Now you could put in here whatever you want. This is what I use, and this is very simple and flavorful. And some dry parsley flakes. So I'm just going to sprinkle some there just to give it some added color. Once that's all done, I'm just going to mix it around. Therefore, the oil and the butter and all the seasonings can coat each strain of rice. And as you can see, each strain is going to turn yellow. Once you're done mixing, your rice should look like this. Should be very colored to either a dark yellow, depending on how much seasoning you put on it, or a lighter yellow. So now I'm going to put some water, and then I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. And for the flavoring, I'm going to put 2 chicken bouillon cubes. To me, this gives it the right amount of flavor. It's not too salty, not too bland. Then I'm just going to put a lid on top and I'm just going to let that cook. Once I feel like it's done and take the lid off, this is what it should look like. Once it's done, make sure you put it in a bowl for serving. And voila. Now you have homemade yellow rice. You can eat this as a main dish, but I eat it as a side dish with my Tuscan creamy chicken recipe.